because he was done virtually. And he said that he needed people to come in and set up. He doesn't he doesn't even have a computer. He's never sent an email out. He's never sent a text out. And when you use cell phones, he says he has to borrow somebody's cell phone and have them dial. He doesn't even know how to use a cell phone.
So is his thought process, if I can't be great at it, or if someone's thinking, rather be bad at something, I'd rather just not do it?
He just like basically just passed him by. He's just an older person. I mean, it's just like above everybody else. Like, yeah, I don't know how to do it. I'm not going to learn.
Hey, I heard them being good at it, but all right.
He said they use cell phones to keep track of them. Since they can't keep track of them on the set, they have others keep track of them on the set.
So, by the way, we have some good news. The president is telling John Roberts that he's adamant on delivering relief to workers, families, and small businesses before the holidays. Conversations with Capitol Hill leaders are going well, and they're optimistic to have a deal between 24 and 48